Woodpecker just hit the window. Hopefully it'll come out of it because it is definitely stunned. That's a shame. I hate that. This helps keep it alive or keep it alert for just laying here. Just as long as I can keep it alert, it helps give it a chance. Well, you seem to be coming around. You're more alert than you were. I know it scares you, but it helps you. Want to try again? See if you're going to fly or anything, huh? I know you're hurt, but you're coming to life. Yes, you are. You're coming to life. Yeah, I'd say you are.
Why? What happened?
Well, look at.
He jumped on you?
Yes.
Are you serious? Oh my God, Harvey. Are you getting that? Harvey Griffin.
Well, I can't get that.
Oh my God.
Whoa, he just flew off my head. I wasn't able to get that part.
Son of a gun. Damn it, I was getting ready to get my camera out.
Whether I got that, I have no idea.